This is an overview of the Summer 20 Next Generation Data Prep experience. Let's start with an old recipe and upgrade it to the Next Generation Data Prep editor. Once the recipe is upgraded, we can inspect all of the nodes using the interactive sample. We have Netflix titles that are being enriched by a rating. The join key is the show ID. Once we have enriched our movie titles with ratings, we can use the transform node and inspect all of the fields and interact with the preview. Because data prep is running on a next generation data platform, we have machine learning available that allows users to predict sentiment for these shows based on a free-form text field. And if we have missing values, we can use the predict missing value function to predict values for specific fields like category. These machine learning transforms will run once the recipe is submitted and produce results. We can also inject transformations in between here on the graph. For example, filter out specific values and reduce those rows. We also have append and all of the existing recipe functions available. Once I'm happy with my recipe, I can submit it. What's also new in the output node is I can, instead of writing to a data set, I can also push my data into an S3 instance or into Snowflake. And I can choose this in the output node. All right, let's save and run and move this data to S3. Thanks for watching.